What does this button do? Let's find out. Whoa, wait, what's happening? Ah, where am I? This doesn't look like my room. It's beautiful. But how do I get back? What's this? Uh, puzzle? Okay, this fits here and got it. Whoa, what are you?
I am your guide. Follow me, and I'll help you escape.
All right, lead the way. Are you sure this is safe?
Not entirely. Be quick, or you'll fall.
Quick, easier said than, whoa, this place is amazing. Look at those trees. Wait, what was that?
Stay close. This forest hides both beauty and danger. Solve this, and you'll find the portal.
No pressure, huh? Almost there. Got it. Yes, the way out. What is that?
Run, now.
I'm not staying to find out. Move, move, move. Please work. Please, please, please. Goodbye, weird world. I hope I'm home? What's this? A souvenir? Guess that wasn't just a dream.
Said it was somewhere here. What's this? Oh. Wow. Whoa. What's this? What to do? Oh, I got it. Interesting. And that's it. I'm done. Yes. Let's go. So what happens now? Oh, what's this? A key? And where's the lock? This is a new adventure.
Approaching the shimmering portal, Sammy felt a sense of wonder filling his heart. But as it started to dissolve before his eyes, panic gripped him. Suddenly, he was enveloped in a blinding light and found himself transported back in time. The world around him looked unfamiliar yet strangely alive. As he struggled to make sense of his surroundings, he realized he was stuck in the past. Instead of feeling fear, a sense of curiosity and excitement overcame him. This was an opportunity to experience history in a way he never thought possible. With a newfound sense of purpose, Sammy embraced his new reality with open arms, eager to explore the wonders of the past and perhaps even leave his mark on it. The possibilities were endless, and the adventure had only just begun.
Connect this to B83. This bad boy is ready to go. Isn't that Mom's shoebox? It's actually the Timetastic 5000. What? Every house really needs a cardboard time machine? Yes. Oh, if you think about it. Anyway, it works, okay? It's science. Just wait for it, and anytime. What the? Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. Where are we? And why is there a dinosaur right there? Okay. I might have set the time wrong, but it worked. Oh, then fix it! Okay, chill. Okay? I don't care. Okay. Oh, shoot. Come on, before we turn into dino snacks.
We're never doing this again.
Yes, we are. It worked.
I'm telling Mom.
Wait, don't. Wait. Did he say shoebox before? I'm just... Baby, you got me angry. Let's go.